What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be working on these headlights. My dad's Chevy's plastic headlights. See how yellow they look compared to real white, yellow, white, yellow. I've been seeing a couple videos, people using toothpaste. I don't know how well that works or how long it works, but I have some. Nah, of course, right? Got some advanced fresh whitening. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna put some on the cloth. I think the cloth is soaking it all up though. Alright, whatever. I'll just leave it like that. I wonder how this is gonna work. If it works pretty well, I'm going to use this on my Integra and on my TL. So I hope it does work. Alright. Just gonna leave it like that for about 3 minutes. See how, and then wash it off. We'll see how it looks. Alright, 3 minutes have passed. I've got me a little squirt bottle, just regular water. I'm just gonna use that to get this a little bit wet so I can scrub it off. Let's see. I'd say that's a big difference. That's almost clear. These are old. These are the original. This is 1991. Is it plastic? Yeah, it's plastic. Couldn't get the edges right, but that's a big difference compared to. Look at that, just compare it to the other headlight. It's a big difference. So it does work. So I guess I am going to be using it on my Integra and on my TO. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like,